congratulations to the FEU Lady Tamaraw for beating the UE Lady Warriors 81-59. The Lady Tamaraws have matched their total win outfit last year of 3 wins. We have here Coach Jasmine Malto, Chef Adebayo, and Victoria Rossi. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Your thoughts about your team's performance today against you? Your thoughts?
As we've said, coaches, we keep telling them na guys, we want to surpass our standings from last year. We don't settle. We don't settle for less. And again, happy naman kami sa performance and everyone got a chance to play. But again, hindi pa tapos ang round 1. We have one more game against Ateneo and we will prepare for that ASAP. Thank you.
Thank you to Victoria. You have 19 points, 9 blocks, 2 assists, and plus 9. So you have 3 wins na kayo this season, and of course, you're aiming for more. So ano yung mindset ng team right now na yun na-match yun na yung last year na 3 wins nyo as we head na sa kalagitnaan ng season?
Sabi lang po ni Coach Rai na i-outpace lang po yung defender. Tapos tiwala lang po sa sarili. You gotta have a confidence for yourself and tiwala din sa teammates. Yan lang.
Thank you to Shem. You have 20 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 block, and plus 31. You entered here every struggle last year, and now after 6 games, the team has matched last year's record. So what can you say about the team's improvement?
Obviously, last game we kind of talked about it as a team that we did take steps back last game, and we want to keep making sure that like every game now from now on and the next game that we have to keep taking steps forward, especially before round 2, and we want to get better every game, every practice, every day as well. Kind of like what Pasilang was saying, we just have to keep trusting each other, trusting the training, and it's just nice to have a coaching staff that like trusts in our ability as well. So.
Chef, slowly but surely you're adapting to Philippine basketball. Can you tell us what are the factors that are helping you to adjust to not only UAP basketball but Philippine basketball?
As of right now, they're making me work hard. They're making me work hard at practices. Coach Rai wants us to be physical at practice. To a point where we're almost kind of hurting each other, but not really. So it's been kind of nice to have that practice environment where we're all understanding that like physicality matters, but also like physicality with safety as well. So yeah.
Coach, with this win, and we already matches win total from last season, 3 wins na agad, but as you said, jobs for Krypton. So how will you keep these girls grounded heading to that game against Ateneo this Wednesday?
Again, we reminded them na kailangan natin paghirapan every game. Every game we encounter, again, we're ready for the films, for the scouting report. So we study. Again, a win is a win, but for them yun. But again, di pa tapos yun round 1. So we're readying agad. Pag-uwi namin, film, then the next day, regroup, train harder, and we will be ready for the last game, for this round. Thank you.
Grabe yung pagkakalaro mo this season. Unti-unting improvement. Siguro paano mo lang nag-stay ready and paano mo lang yung opportunity binibigay sa inyo?
Ano lang po, tiwala po sa sistema, tiwala sa mga coaches. Yung sinabi ni Shem na maging ready ka kahit bangko ka man dati. Pero ngayon parang i-improve mo kung ano yung weaknesses mo. Kaya ngayon, I work hard for that po. That's it. Sorry.
Can you talk about lang yung improvement ni Pasilang?
Malayo. I really admire kasi from last year, we keep joking around about her temper, pero natutuwa lang kami kasi in-acknowledge niya yun. At saka she wants to be the best version of herself. And yun ang hinahabol namin. Coaches, makita yun, every player grows. And makita yung best performance and best version of themselves.
Congratulations to Jasmine, Victoria.